This week on Mining Minutes Wrap-Up, Amplats reaches a deal to end the strikes? Maybe. Some earnings coming your way. Before we start anything off, as usual, we'll start you off this week with the movers and shakers. So it looks like Anglo-American Platinum has put an end to the strikes that have plagued the top platinum producer in the world, as Reuters reported the news Wednesday. Amplats expects workers to return to work Thursday after accepting a new pay deal to put an end to these wildcat strikes. While it's finally some good news for the platinum giant, the effects of the ongoing dispute were felt, as Reuters reported the company has lost about 170,000 ounces of platinum production, which adds up to around $250 million at current spot price. Amplats said on Wednesday it expected 2012 earnings to fall by at least 20% after its interim profits dropped almost 80%. It seems like the strikes are winding down, but the sentiment regarding mining in South Africa is shaky at best, with the repercussion of these strikes most likely lingering well into 2013. Johnson Matthey released its 2012 Platinum Interim Review Tuesday, and the news is not good. Johnson Matthey said the platinum market will swing into a supply deficit of 400,000 ounces in 2012, as South African supplies fall to the lowest level since 2001, and volumes from auto catalyst recycling decline. The strikes and disruptions in South Africa will result in a 10% drop in worldwide platinum mine supplies to 5.84 million ounces, Johnson Matthey said. They also said that platinum in 2013 could tip into deficit if South Africa isn't up and running again. This Amplats news on Wednesday could be a step in the right direction. Moving on to some earnings news, IAMGOLD released its third quarter results Tuesday night, which saw a jump of 56% in quarterly profit revenue, which was down 10% to $386.8 million, while gold production also dropped down to 205,000 ounces because of lower grades at Essakane and Sadiola. IAMGOLD cut its capital expenditure forecasts for the year to $750 million to $780 million from its previous forecast of $800 to $840 million, as it expects delays in expansion from its Sadiola mine in Mali and the Essakane mine in Burkina Faso. The company expects to hit the lower end of its 840,000 to 910,000 ounce projection for 2012. Osisko reported a third quarter net profit of $26.2 million compared to $9.3 million in the comparative quarter of 2011. Revenue was $158.5 million, up from $122.9 million. Gold production rose to a record 103,753,000 ounces at a cash cost of 864 Canadian dollars, while operating flows on the quarter totaled $55.4 million. The company also announced the acquisition of Queenston Mining Monday for $550 million. And that wraps up this week's Mining Minutes Wrap-Up. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to send them to newsfeedback@kitco.com. I'm Alex Letourneau for Kitco News. Thanks for watching.